फर्स्ट, who of the following used the term deep ecology for the first time? आंसर है एर्ने नेइस. Second, the concept of the ecological niche was enunciated by. आंसर है ग्रिनेल. Third, the measurement unit of ecological footprint is. आंसर है global hectares. Fourth, the minimum area of the land required to completely sustain the life of the person is called his. आंसर है ecological footprint. 5. Which one of the following statement best describes the term social cost of carbon? It is a measure in monetary value of the. Answer है long term damage done by a ton of CO2 emission in a given year. 6th, read the list of ecological concern and the year in which acts were executed in India. Ecological concerns और years act was passed. तो इसमें हम देखते हैं वाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन 1972, Environment Protection Act 1986, the Scheduled Tribe and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Recognition of Forest Act 2006, a Forest Conservation Act hence 1980. ठीक है. 7. The Millennium Ecosystem Assessment describe the following major categories of ecosystem service provisioning: supporting, regulating, preserving and cultural. Which one of the following is supporting services? Answer है nutrient cycling and crop pollination. 8. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of a food chain? Answer है diatoms, herrings, crustaceans. 9. Which of the following statement is true about bionomics? First, it means management of life. Second, it is synonymous with ecology. Third, it stresses the value of natural systems which influence human system. Answer है 2 and 3. कि it is a synonymous with ecology. It stresses the value of natural system which influence human systems. 10. Which of the following shows a density gradient of the water system? Answer है pancholine. 11. In the context of ecosystem productivity, marine upwelling zones are important as they increase the marine productivity by bringing the first decomposer microorganisms to the surface, second nutrients to the surface, third bottom dwelling organisms to the surface. Which one of the statement is or are correct? Answer इसका है second only, nutrients to the surface. 12. Concerning ecosensitive zones, which of the following statement is or are correct? First, ecosensitive zones are the areas that are declared under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Second, the purpose of the declaration of ecosensitive zone is to prohibit all kind of human activities in those zones except agriculture. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Answer is neither 1 nor 2. Ecosensitive zones are mentioned under Environment Protection Act 1986, hence statement 1 is incorrect. Prohibited activities: tourism activities like flying over protected area in any aircraft or hot air balloon and discharge of effluent and solid waste in natural water bodies or terrestrial areas. Regulated activities: felling of trees, establishment of hotels, resort, commercial use of natural water, erection of electrical cables. Drastic change of agricultural system, example adoption of heavy technology, pesticides, etc., widening of roads. Permitted activities: ongoing agriculture and horticulture practices by local communities, rainwater harvesting, organic farming, adoption of green technology and use of renewable energy sources. Hence statement 2 is also incorrect. 13. Given below are two statements. Assertion A: various components of an ecosystem are not interdependent. Reason are: human activities have the impact on the environment. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. Code answer है A is false but R is true. A false है, R true. 14. In the grassland, trees do not replace the grasses as part of an ecological succession because of answer है water limit and fire. Water limits and fire. 15. The concept of ecological transition was first used by answer है Bennett. 16. The entire sequence of communities that successfully changes in a particular area are called answer है Siri. 17. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of the phases of biotic succession? Answer है nutation, migration, ascesis, reaction, stabilization. 18. Which one of the following is the correct order of biological organization ranging from organisms to biosphere? इसका आंसर है पॉपुलेशन, कम्युनिटी, इकोसिस्टम, लैंडस्केप. इसके बाद हम देखते हैं 19. कंसिडर फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट इकोसिस्टम. फर्स्ट, द प्रोडक्शन एट द ऑटोट्रॉफ लेवल इज सेड टू बी प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी. सेकेंड, the secondary productivity refers to the production at the heterotroph level. Of the above correct statement is or are? Answer है both 1 and 2. दोनों सही है. 20. Which of the following is the correct sequence of ecosystem in order of decreasing productivity? Answer है mangroves, grassland, lakes, ocean. इसके बाद हम देखते हैं बायोडाइवर्सिटी. First, biodiversity is described as answer इसका the range of different species in an environment. Second, biodiversity means answer a diverse kind of plants and animals in a particular area. Third, the most significant aspect of biodiversity is answer a maintenance of ecosystem. Fourth, the destruction of biodiversity is due to answer a the lack of natural habitats of the organism, environmental pollution, destruction of forest. ये सारे हैं. 5. Which of the following is not an example of in situ conservation strategy? आंसर है botanical garden. ये ex situ में आता है. 6. The main reason for the decrease in biodiversity is answer natural habitat destruction. 7. Which one of the following is most important factor responsible for the decline of biodiversity? Answer है destruction of habitat. 8. The main reason for the decrease in biodiversity is answer habitat destruction. 9. Biodiversity has maximum danger from answer destruction of natural habitats and vegetation. 10. Government of India in collaboration with the Norwegian government has established a center for biodiversity policy and law at answer Chennai. 11. Biodiversity Day is celebrated on तो आंसर इसका है 22 मई. UN has proclaimed 22 मई the International Day for Biological Diversity to increase understanding and awareness of biodiversity issue. When first created by the Second Committee of the UN General Assembly in late 1993, 29 December, the date of entry into force of the Convention of Biological Diversity was designated the International Day for Biological Diversity. In December 2000, the UN General Assembly adopted 22 May as IDB to commemorate the adoption of the text of the convention on 22 May 1992 by the Nairobi Final Act of Conference for the adoption of the agreed text of the Convention on Biological Diversity. This was partly done because it was difficult for many countries to plan and carry out suitable celebration for the date of 29 December, given the number of holidays that coincide around that time of year. When the World Biodiversity Day is observed? Answer है 22 मई. 13. Which of the following can be threats to the biodiversity of a geographical area? First, global warming. Second, fragmentation of habitats. Third, invasion of alien species. Fourth, promotion of vegetarianism. करेक्ट आंसर का कोड क्या है? तो आंसर है 1, 2 and 3. Global warming, fragmentation of habitat. Third, invasion of alien species. (14) Which of the following can be a threat to the biodiversity of a region? Global warming, fragmentation of habitat, invasion of alien species. For promotion of vegetarianism. करेक्ट आंसर इसका जो है वो है 1, 2 and 3. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, फ्रेगमेंटेशन ऑफ हैबिटेट और इन्वेजन ऑफ एलियन स्पीसीज. 15 विच ऑफ वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्ट्रांगली थ्रेटन्स बायोडाइवर्सिटी. आंसर इसका है डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ नेचुरल हैबिटेट्स एंड वेजिटेशन एंड झूम कल्टिवेशन. 16 consider following regions. First, eastern Himalaya. Second, eastern Mediterranean region. Third, northwestern Australia. Which of the above is or are biodiversity hotspot? Answer is 1 only, eastern Himalayas. 17 the hotspot of biodiversity in India are. Answer eastern Himalaya and the western Ghats. 18 which of the following is considered a hotspot of biodiversity in India? D western Ghats. 19 consider following statement. First, biodiversity hotspots are located only in tropical regions. Second, India has 4 biodiversity hotspots, that is eastern Himalayas, western Ghats and in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Correct statement. तो इसका आंसर है neither 1 nor 2. Hotspots are not located in tropical regions but also in temperate regions. California, floristic province, Japan. India has 4 biodiversity hotspots: Eastern Himalayas, Western Ghats, Indo-Myanmar border and Sundaland. The Sundaland includes the Nicobar group of islands but does not include the Andaman group of islands. 20. Which of the following is a biodiversity saturated area in India? Answer है Western Ghat. 21. With reference to biodiversity, which of the following region in India is regarded as hotspot? Answer है Andaman and Nicobar Island. 22. Which one of the following area in India is a hotspot of biodiversity? तो इसका आंसर है Western Ghats. 23rd. The most biodiversity rich area in India is. Answer है Western Ghats. 24. Which of the following has been identified as biodiversity hotspot in India? Answer है Western Ghats. 25 biodiversity hotspot in India are. पहला ईस्टर्न घाट, सेकंड वेस्टर्न घाट, तीसरा ईस्टर्न हिमालय, चौथा वेस्टर्न इंडिया. आंसर है वेस्टर्न घाट्स और ईस्टर्न हिमालयाज. 26. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज कंसिडर्ड हॉटस्पॉट ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी? आंसर है ईस्टर्न हिमालय. 27. The hotspot in the context of the environment found in India are. Answer है Eastern Himalaya range or Western Ghats. 28. Which one of the following is not a biodiversity hotspot of India? Not a biodiversity hotspot of India. Answer इसका है विंध्यास. 29. Which of the following regions of India has been designated as biodiversity hotspot? Select the correct answer from the code given below. First, Eastern Himalaya. Second, Eastern Ghats. तीसरा Western Ghats. Fourth, Western Himalayas. Answer है Eastern Himalaya and Western Ghats. 30. Which one of the following region of India is regarded as an ecological hotspot? Answer है Eastern Himalayas and Western Ghats. 31. Which of the following is a biodiversity rich place in India? Answer है Western Ghat. 32. The tallest known living tree. Answer है Sequoia. The tallest known tree is redwood sequoia. It is found in California, USA. This species includes the tallest living trees on earth, reaching up to 379 feet, 115.5 meter in height. A species is considered to be extinct if it has not been seen in its natural habitat for. Answer है 50 years. 34. Which one of the following is not responsible for the extinction of a species? Answer है broad niche. 35. India aims to achieve land degradation neutrality by the year. Answer है 2030. 36. The Red Data book published by the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources IUCN contains list of first endemic plant and animal species present in biodiversity hotspot, second threatened plant and animal species, third protected site for conservation of nature and natural resources in various countries. Select the correct answer using the code given below. तो इसका आंसर है 2 only, threatened plant and animal species. 37. Organization related to Red Data book or Red List is आंसर है IUCN. 38. Red Data book is published by आंसर इसका है IUCN. 39. Endangered species are listed in आंसर है Red Data book. 40. Red Data book contains data of आंसर है endangered species. 41. Red Data book provides data on आंसर है endangered plant and animals. 42. Red Data book is concerned with आंसर है organism and animal facing the danger of extinction. 43. Which one of the following groups of animals belong to the category of endangered species? Answer: Great Indian Bustard, Musk Deer, Red Panda and Asiatic Wild Ass. (44) Which one of the following Indian birds is a highly endangered species? Answer: a Great Indian Bustard. 45. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Answer है इसका Golden Langur endangered, Halok Gibbon endangered, Asiatic Wild Dog endangered और Desert Cat least concern. There is no animal named desert cat listed in Red List of IUCN. Chinese desert cat are listed as a vulnerable category in Red List. Hence option B and D are not correctly matched. UPSC Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission considered A as the correct answer in its initially released answer key, but in revised answer key this question was removed from assessment category. क्योंकि गोल्डन लंगूर जो था endangered में है, ये आपका सही था, ये ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. ठीक, आपका होलॉग गिवन एंडेंजर्ड में, एशियाटिक वाइल्ड डॉग जो है थ्रेटन में नहीं है, एंडेंजर्ड में ही है. 46. While India's human population growing at an outstanding pace, the bird population is shrinking fastly mainly because 1. There has been an abnormal increase in the number of hunters. 2. Biopesticide and organic manure are being used on a large scale. 3. There has been a large scale reduction in the habitats of the birds. 4. There has been large scale use of pesticides, chemical fertilizer and mosquito repellents. Select your answer correctly using code given below. Answer है 3 and 4 correct. There has been a large scale reduction in the habitat of the birds. 4. There has been a large scale use of pesticide, chemical fertilizer and mosquito repellents. 47. Which of the following is not a reason for the loss of biodiversity in Uttarakhand? इसका आंसर है afforestation of barren land. 48. Which of the following statement about Sikkim are true? Select the correct answer from the code given below. First, it became an integral part of India in 1975. Second, it is considered as a botanist paradise. Third, its population mainly made up of lepacs. Answer इसका है 1, 2 and 3. Correct में तीनों. It became an integral part of India in 1975. It is considered a botanist paradise. Its population is mainly made up of lepecus. 49. The most important strategy for the conservation of biodiversity together with traditional human life is the establishment of answer a biosphere reserve. 50. Which one of the following is an important strategy for the conservation of biodiversity? Answer a biosphere reserves. 51. Which one of the following is not a site for an in situ method of conservation of flora? Answer है botanical garden. 52. Which of the following gas is commonly used in cryobank for ex situ conservation? Answer है nitrogen. 53. The maximum biodiversity is found in. Answer है tropical rainforest. 54. In which of the following ecosystem the species diversity is relatively higher? आंसर इसका है ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट एंड कोरल रीफ्स. Tropical rainforest on land and coral reefs in marine system are among the most biological diverse ecosystem on earth. Hence, B and C are correct answer. 55. The maximum biodiversity is found in. Answer tropical rainforest. 56. Which of the following has the largest biodiversity? Answer a tropical rainforest biome. 57. Which of the following is considered a hotspot of biodiversity in India? Answer a Western Ghats. 58. In which of the following types of forest maximum plant diversity is found? Answer tropical evergreen forest. 59. The greatest diversity of animal and plant species occurs in. Answer a tropical moist forest. 60. Which one of the following ecosystem has maximum plant biomass? Answer a tropical rainforest. 61. Biodiversity changes occur. Answer increases toward the equator. 62. The richest biodiversity is found in. Answer is Silent Valley. 63. Silent Valley is located in. Answer is Kerala. 64. Which one of the following states is related to Silent Valley project? Answer is Kerala. 65. Valley of Flowers is situated in. Answer is Uttarakhand, Chamoli district. 66. Which of the following wetlands are designated as Ramsar site? First, Chilika Lake. Third, Wooler Lake. Second, Keledio. Fourth, Loktak. Correct answer all चारों हैं. Chilika Lake, Wooler Lake, Loktak और Keledio. 67. Which of the following is a Ramsar site under Ramsar Convention? Answer है Sundarbans और Bhoj wetlands. 68. The Ramsar Convention was associated with the conservation of Ansar wetlands. 69. Bihar's first Ramsar site is located in. Ansar Begusarai. 70. Ramsar Convention is related to. Answer wetland conservation. 71. Wetland Day is observed on. Answer 2nd February. 72. In India, which one of the following states has the largest inland saline wetland? Answer Rajasthan. Sambar Lake, Rajasthan. Largest inland saline wetland. 73rd. Biosphere reserve are areas for conservation of. Answer genetic variations. 74. Cartagena Protocol is related to. Answer biosafety agreements. 75. Which one of the following is the most effective factor of coral bleaching? Answer rise in normal temperature of seawater. 76. Which of the following is the most significant factor in coral bleaching? Answer global warming. 77. Which of the following have coral reefs? First, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Second, Gulf of Kutch. Third, Gulf of Mannar. Fourth, Sundarbans. Select the correct answer. Answer 1, 2 and 3 only. Andaman and Nicobar Island, Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Mannar. High level questions. Who among the following has used the term biodiversity for the first time? आंसर इसका है वॉल्टर जी रोसन. 1985 by Walter G. Rosen. Biological diversity. Second, who coined the term biodiversity? Answer Walter G. Rosen. Third, biodiversity form the basis for human existence in the following ways. First, soil formation. Second, prevention of soil erosion. Third, recycling of waste. Fourth, pollination of crops. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Answer 1, 2, 3, 4. Soil formation, prevention of soil erosion, recycling of waste, pollination of crops. Fourth, the decade 2011-20 has been designated by the UNO as the decade of. Answer biodiversity decade. 5. United Nations Organization has declared decade 2011-20 as decade on biodiversity. 6. Which of the following is not responsible for the increase in the biodiversity of an ecosystem? Answer: a less number of trophic levels. 7. The Himalayan range is very rich in species diversity. Which one among the following is most appropriate reason for this phenomena? Answer: it is a confluence of different biogeographical zones. 8. The Biodiversity Act was passed by the Indian Parliament in answer: December 2002. 9. In which year Biodiversity Act was passed in India? Answer: 2002. 10. National Biodiversity Authority of India was established in answer: 2003 in Chennai. 11. How does National Biodiversity Authority (NBA) help in protecting Indian agriculture? First, NBA checks the biopiracy and protects indigenous and traditional genetic resources. Second, NBA directly monitors and supervises the scientific research on genetic modification of crop plants. Third, application for intellectual property rights related to genetic or biological resources cannot be made without the approval of the NBA. Which of the following statement given above is or are correct? Answer: 1 and 3. Protecting Indian agriculture. First, NBA checks the biopiracy and protects indigenous and traditional genetic resources, and application for intellectual property rights related to genetic biological resources cannot be made without the approval of the NBA. 12. Sea buckthorn has a huge global market potential. The berries of this plant are rich in vitamins and nutrients. Genghis Khan used them to improve the stamina of his troops. Russian cosmonauts use its oil to combat radiation. Where is this plant found in India? Answer: Ladakh. Sea buckthorn is a medicinal plant found in the Himalayan region of a country holds tremendous potential in respect of sea buckthorn fruit production and diverse varieties which have health promoting properties and can play a crucial role in preventing soil erosion and help nitrogen fixation in cold and desert areas. Sea buckthorn fruits grow in cold desert of Ladakh, Lahaul Spiti in Himachal Pradesh and some part of Arunachal Pradesh. 13. The government of India encourages the cultivation of sea buckthorn. What is the importance of this plant? First, it helps in controlling soil erosion and prevent desertification. Second, it is a rich source of biodiversity. Third, it has nutritional value and is well adapted to grow in cold areas of high altitude. Fourth, its timber is of great commercial value. Correct answer इसमें है 1 and 3. 1 and 3. It helps in controlling soil erosion and preventing desertification, and it has nutritional value and is well adapted to grow in cold area of high altitudes. Fourteen. Assertion A. The biosphere is an example of an open system. Reason are: there cannot be reinvestment of a new substance in the biosphere, but there is no restriction on the investment and exit of energy. तो इसमें करेक्ट आंसर जो है वो है A is true but R is false. Biosphere is an example of an open system. 15. Recently, which of the following drug has been reported as responsible for vulture death? Answer: Declonifac sodium. 16. Which painkiller gives to cattle is responsible for the near extinction of vulture in India? Answer: D. Declonifac. 17. The rapid rate of decline in the vulture population in India is mainly due to answer: overuse of diclofenac drug. 18. The most important factor contributing to the loss of the vulture population in India is answer: administering of painkiller to cattle. 19. The vultures which used to be very common in the Indian countryside some years ago are rarely seen nowadays. This is attributed to answer: drug used by cattle owners for treating their diseased cattle. 20. A tree species in Mauritius failed to reproduce because of the extinction of a fruit-eating bird. Which one of the following was that bird? Answer: a dodo. Dodo was a giant bird with short stumpy legs and a large hooked beak. It used to live on the Indian Ocean island of Mauritius but had completely vanished by the end of the 17th century. Dodo was helpful in pollinating and propagating seed of the species called Tam- Tambalacoque. 21. Consider following pairs: wildlife or naturally found in. Pala blue find Masir, Kaveri River. Second, Iravati dolphin, Chambal River. Third, rusty spotted cat, Eastern Ghats. Which of the pair given above are correctly matched? Answer is 1 and 3 only. Bluefin Mashir, Kaveri River. Third, rusty spotted cat, Eastern Ghats. क्योंकि इरावती डॉल्फिन जो है वो आपकी चिलिका लेक में मिलती है, चिलिका लेक. 22. Due to some reason, if there is a huge fall in the population of species of butterflies, what could be its likely consequence or consequences? First, pollination of some plant could be adversely affected. Second, there could be a drastic increase in the fungal infection of some cultivated plant. Third, it could lead to a fall in the population of some species of wasps, spider and birds. Correct answer इसमें है 1 and 3 only. Pollination of some plants could be adversely affected and it could lead to a fall in the population of some species of wasps, spider and birds. 23. In the context of Indian wildlife, the flying fox is answer a bat. Indian flying fox, Petropus gigantes, also known as Greater Indian fruit bat. Found in Bangladesh, China, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. 24. The marine animal called dugong, which is vulnerable to extinct, is an answer a mammal. 25. Concerning dugong, a mammal found in India, which of the following statement is or are correct? First, it is a herbivorous marine animal. Second, it is found along the entire coast of India. Third, it is given legal protection under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Correct answer. तो उसका आंसर है it is a herbivorous marine animal and it is given legal protection under Schedule 1 and Wildlife Protection Act 1972. 26. Three of the following criteria have contributed to the recognition of Western Ghats, Sri Lanka, Indo-Burma region as hotspot of biodiversity. First, species richness. Second, vegetation density. Third, endemism. Fourth, ethnobotanical importance. 5, threat perception. 6, adaptation of flora and fauna to warm and humid conditions. Which of the above are correct criteria? The answer is 1, 3 and 5. Species richness, endemism or threat perception. 27. Assertion A. Maximum number of the species of butterflies are found in tropical countries. Reason are butterflies cannot tolerate low temperature. Answer A and R are true, but R is correct explanation of A. 28. Concerning an organization known as BirdLife International, which of the following statement is or are correct? First, it is a global partnership of conservation organizations. Second, the concept of biodiversity hotspot originated from this organization. Third, it identifies the sites referred to as an important bird and biodiversity area. Select the correct answer given below. The answer is 1 and 3 only. It is a global partnership of conservation organization and it identifies the sites referred to as important bird and biodiversity areas. 29. Which one of the following statement is correct? Answer is the biosafety protocol deals with genetically modified organisms. 30. Which one of the following union ministries implement the Cartagena Protocol on biosafety? See Ministry of Environment and Forests. 31. A sandy and saline area is the natural habitat of an Indian animal species. The animal has no predators in that area, but its existence is threatened due to the destruction of its habitat. Which of the following could be that animal? Answer animal Indian wild ass. 32. The 10th Conference of the Parties of the United Nations Conference on Biological Diversity was held at. Answer: Nagoya. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Proper design and effective implementation of UN RED Plus program can significantly contribute to: first, protection of biodiversity; second, resilience of forest ecosystem; third, poverty reduction. Select the correct answer using the code given below. आंसर है 1, 2 and 3 तीनों सही है. 34. Two important rivers, one with its source in Jharkhand and known by a different name in Odisha, and another with its source in Odisha, merge at a place only a short distance from the coast of Bay of Bengal before flowing into the sea. This is an important site of wildlife and biodiversity and a protected area. Which one of the following could be this? Answer है Bhitarkanika. 35. Among the mathematical indices for measuring biodiversity, which one shows the mean species diversity in a habitat at a local scale? Answer है Alpha Index. 36. Concerning the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources (IUCN) and the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora CITES, which of the following statement is or are correct? First, IUCN is an organ of the United Nations and CITES is an international agreement between governments. Second, IUCN runs thousands of field projects around the world to better manage the natural environment. Third, CITES is legally binding on the states that have joined it, but this convention does not take the place of national laws. Select the correct answer. Answer are 2 and 3 only. IUCN runs thousands of fields projects around the world to be better manage the natural environment. Third, CITES is legally binding on the states that have joined it, but this convention does not take the place of national laws. 37. With reference to an initiative called the Economics of Ecosystem and Biodiversity (TEEB), which of the following statement is or are correct? First, it is an initiative hosted by UNEP, IMF and World Economic Forum. Second, it is a global initiative that focuses on drawing attention to the economic benefit of biodiversity. Third, it presents an approach that can help decision maker recognize, demonstrate and capture the value of ecosystem and biodiversity. Select the correct answer. So answer are 2 and 3 only. It is global initiative that focuses on drawing attention to the economic benefits of biodiversity. Third, it presents an approach that can help decision makers recognize, demonstrate and capture the value of ecosystem and biodiversity. 38. In which of the following state is lion-tailed macaw found in its natural habitat? First, Tamil Nadu. Second, Kerala. Third, Karnataka. Fourth, Andhra Pradesh. Select the correct answer. Answer 1, 2 and 3. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka. 39. Consider the following. First, black-necked crane. Second, cheetah. Third, flying squirrel. Fourth, snow leopard. Which of the above are naturally found in India? Answer 1, 3 and 4. Black-necked crane, flying squirrel and snow leopard. 40. With reference to India's biodiversity, Ceylon frogmouth, coppersmith barbet, grey chinned, minivet and white-throated redstart are. Answer birds. 41. Consider the following. First, bats. Second, bears. Third, rodents. The phenomenon of hibernation can be observed in which of the above kinds of animals? Answer is 1, 2 and 3. Bats, bears, rodents. 42. Consider the following statements. First, biodiversity is normally greater in the lower latitudes as compared to the higher altitudes. Second, along the mountain gradients, biodiversity is normally greater in the lower altitude as compared to the higher altitudes. Which of the following statement above is or are correct? Answer are both 1 and 2. 43. Consider the following statement. First, saltwater crocodile is found in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Second, shrew and tapir are found in the western ghats of the Malabar region. Answer 1 only. Saltwater crocodile is found in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. 44. Consider the following statement. First, in India, red panda is naturally found in the western Himalayas only. Second, in India, slow loris lives in the dense forest of northeast. Which of the following statement above is or are correct? Answer is second only. In India, slow loris lives in the dense forest of the northeast. 45. Concerning a conservation organization called Wetland International, which of the following statement is or are correct? First, it is an inter-governmental organization formed by the countries which are signatories to Ramsar Convention. Second, it works at the ground level to develop and mobilize knowledge and use the practical experience to advocate for better policies. Select the correct answer using code given below. Answer is second only. It works at the ground level to develop and mobilize knowledge and use the practical experience to advocate for better policies. 46. India is a party to the Ramsar Convention and has declared many areas as Ramsar sites. Which of the following statement best describes as to how we should maintain these sites in the context of this convention? Answer: conserve all the sites through ecosystem approach and allow their simultaneous sustainable use. 47. If a wetland of international importance is brought under the Montreux Record, what does it imply? Answer: changes in ecological character have occurred, are occurring, or are likely to occur in the wetlands as a result of human interference. 48. An ecosystem wetlands are useful for which of the following? Answer is D, all of the above. For nutrient recovery and cycling, for releasing heavy metals through absorption by plants, and reducing siltation of river by retaining sediments. 49. Concerning the wetlands of India, consider the following statement. First, the country's total geographical area under the category of wetland is recorded more in Gujarat as compared to other states. Second, in India, the total geographical area of coastal wetlands larger than that of the total inland areas of wetland. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Answer: first only. The country's total geographical area under the category of wetlands is recorded more in Gujarat as compared to other states. 50. Consider the following statement. Under Ramsar Convention, it is mandatory on the part of the Government of India to protect and conserve all the wetlands in the territory of India. Second, the Wetlands Conservation and Management Rules 2010 were framed by the Government of India based on the recommendation of Ramsar Convention. Third, Wetland Conservation and Management Rules 2010 also encompass the drainage area and catchment region of the wetlands as determined by the authority. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? The answer is the Wetland Conservation and Management Rule 2010 also encompass the drainage area of catchment region of the wetland as determined by the authority. 51. The annual production of biomass is minimal in which of the following environment? Answer: deep sea. 52. The author of Tomorrow's Biodiversity is? Answer: Vandana Shiva. 53. Consider the following international agreements. First, the International Treaty on Plant Genetic Resources for Food and Agriculture. Second, The United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification. Third, the World Heritage Convention. Which of the above has or had a bearing on the biodiversity? Answer है 1, 2 and 3 तीनों.